Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can change your profile picture in the Snapchat app. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments under this video. So let us get started with you. First of all, you need to open the Snapchat app. After which navigate to your Bitmoji. And next you will need to scroll down and find this option. Click on it. After which at the top, click on the pencil image. This will take you to changing your profile. And in order to change your profile picture, you'll need to click on the picture of the photo next to the circle. And then select the photo you would like to set. Then click Save Changes. Wait until all the changes are confirmed. And now, as you can see, my profile picture has been changed. This is how it is, friends. You can easily change your profile picture in Snapchat app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.